Welcome to our tutorial on how to boost system performance in Windows 10. If your PC is running slow or lagging, these simple steps will help optimize your system for better performance. Let's dive in. Hello there! Are you looking to boost the performance of your Windows 10 PC? You've come to the right place. Follow these step-by-step instructions to optimize your system for enhanced speed and responsiveness. Step 1. Press the Start button located on the bottom left corner of your screen. Step 2. Open Settings by clicking on the gear icon in the Start menu. Step 3. In the Settings window, click on the System option. Step 4. From the left-hand side menu, click on Power and Sleep. Step 5. Under the Related Settings section, click the Additional Power Settings option. Step 6. In the Power Options window, click the Show Additional Plans option. If you don't see any plans, click on Create a Power Plan. Step 7. Select the High Performance Power Plan from the list, and that's it. You have now optimized your system for maximum performance. Congratulations on successfully boosting the performance of your Windows 10 PC. By following these simple steps, you can experience faster speeds and improved responsiveness. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more helpful PC tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching, and enjoy the enhanced performance of your Windows 10 PC.